Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Botstar review. For those of you out there who are looking to automate some of your customer service or marketing processes, chatbots are the new biggest thing. Botstar is going to help you to automate, one-click create chatbots to use in your business, no matter what business you're in. Chatbot has chatbot templates for over 50 niches. So for example, if you're a restaurant, you want to automate your ordering via your Facebook or your website, Chatbot is going to do that for you. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Botstar so you can get an over-the-shoulder walkthrough and see exactly what it can do specifically for you. As well as that, I've thrown together some really awesome bonuses that are going to supplement Botstar, go hand in hand with it, so you really get the most out of it should you decide to buy through the link in the description. Before we get into all that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video and hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification so you're up to date with new platforms that are coming out that can help you to make more money online. Also, just quickly, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video and check out Botstar on your own or the bonuses I just mentioned, click the link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. You have legal stuff at the top, my contact details if you run into any problems. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the Botstar official vendor sales page. So what that means is if you go through the link in the description first and through this page and click on any of these green buttons, that will lock in the bonuses before then sending you off to the Botstar vendor sales page, where if you do decide to purchase, you'll get not only Botstar, but you'll get all of these bonuses with it as well, absolutely free in one big bundle that you can access immediately. The first bonus I've gotten for you is called Facebook Messenger Bot Marketing Unleashed. This is going to help you understand using bots in Facebook Messenger a lot better. It goes into things like in-depth look at Facebook Messenger bots, how they can help you grow your audience, the do's and don'ts of marketing using bots that a lot of people kind of fall for, how to qualify your traffic so you're not just taking in anybody, classic sales funnel that you can use, how to create your own messenger bot, and really just everything relating to the marketing and driving that traffic to your bot so you can automate those transactions. The second bonus I've gotten for you is called Surefire Chat Secrets. And I thought I'd throw this in there because this also teaches you how to build a bot, but there's also a lot of really good information in there that you can apply to Botstar. So this will take you into major chatbot mistakes. You'll learn what to avoid. It goes into how bots work and a breakdown. It teaches you how to generate leads with a really quick and easy method. It also shows you the importance of why having a brainstorm or a mock-up of your bot's layout is crucial before you jump in and start creating one. It also has information on how to organize your ideas and how to implement this brainstorm method that it talks about, as well as how to implement chatbots more effectively. So this is going to go hand in hand with Botstar really well, just give you a little bit more solid background knowledge before you go ahead and start using one of the templates. Bonus number 3 I've gotten you as a 2-part bonus, and I thought I'd throw in some bonuses that are relating to traffic. So Traffic Secrets Unleashed and Simple Social Content. Traffic System Unleashed is going to help you to get eyeballs to your funnels and help you generate lots of traffic to your traffic bot via different platforms like social media, forums, Twitter, things like that. So it teaches you how to harness one of the most used and targeted distribution platforms. It goes into not so popular traffic networks, which can bring you tons of laser targeted traffic. It also teaches you how to not only generate traffic, but also profit from different ad networks, one in particular which has over 300 million users. So this tool is gonna get you the traffic. The second part of the bonus, Simple Social Content, is gonna really help you out with your authority. So when you are generating traffic to your Facebook page, to your bot, people do look on your page and they do look at your content to see the legitimacy of who you are. So Simple Social Content is going to help you to really, post good content, powerful images to use, powerful words to use, how long you should take on creating content, how to organize your content, how to get into auto scheduling, how to analyze your audiences so you're hitting them on the correct interests, So this really goes into how to put out the right kind of content so it is generating authority. So people use your bot, or they're interacting with your bot, they're looking at your page and they're, trusting you more, which is really, really key. The fourth bonus I've gotten for you is another one relating to traffic generation. So this is called Facebook Groups Unleashed. And Facebook groups are something I'm utilizing recently quite a bit to drive traffic to different offers and things that I have going on. And they're really, really producing some really good results. Facebook groups are always targeted, always niche targeted, not only by interest, but also sometimes by demographic and area. So you can often find, audiences in single groups that are going to be super interested in what you're doing, what you're offering, and definitely funneling in towards interacting with your chatbot that you create on Botstar. So this is a new product that only came out last week, so it's up to date with some really cool info on how you can use Facebook groups, utilize them to generate traffic as well. Bonus number 5 I've got for you is called $1 Million Copy. So this is going to go into really if you're writing any kind of copy on landing pages or to your email list or in your normal social media content, or when you're maybe doing some edits to your chatbot, it's good to be familiar with the difference between just producing written content and having normal written text coming out of your bot's mouth or on your pages and whatnot. The difference between that and actually speaking in a way that, or writing in a way that triggers emotions in people, compels them to take the next step, to buy, to book. That's exactly what you're trying to accomplish with a chatbot. That's a fundamental, you're trying to get them to get from one step to the next, to the next, to the next, funneling them through so that you're able to convert those leads. $1 Million Copy, I think, is gonna go really well with that because it's gonna help you, with all those things I just said. You gotta know how to trigger emotions in people, compel them, hit on pain points, all that stuff. So this is gonna go hand in hand with Botstar really, really well. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1, click the link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page. You click on these green buttons to lock in your bonuses, and that will launch you off to the Botstar vendor sales page, which looks like this. This is the pre-sale page. It'll be more populated by the time you see this video. I recommend you going through this in your own time and checking out all the functions and features. If you do decide to buy through that page, you will be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this here on the right. And you will get Botstar, all your credentials under the green button, and under the blue button will be all my bonuses. So as I said, one big massive bundle. I will say though that this is a launch week offer, so the sooner you get in, the more you're gonna get for the least price. So keep your eye on this countdown timer because I wouldn't want you to miss out on these bonuses. It has taken me a long time to source them for you, but when it does hit 0, they'll no longer be available. So keep your eye on that. Right now though, at last, we're gonna get into the demo of Botstar. Let's check it out.
Alright, so let's start the clock. I'm gonna go ahead and select one of these premium templates. There's over 50 done for you templates in the hottest niches to choose from, and I'll just select this restaurant one, which will automate the booking process for customers. Then I'll give my bot a name and assign my Facebook fan page to it and stop the clock. As you can see, this literally took about 18 seconds to connect without any effort. Here we have premium templates with all the content done for you, filled with proven automated chat flows that are ready to skyrocket leads and sales without any work on your end. It's all done for you. The text flows, sequences, buttons, images, and everything is all there. All you need to do is just edit and customize the chatbot to the restaurant you're targeting, and you're good to rock it. You can then sell this to any restaurant in your city for $500 to $1,000 each, and even charge a monthly residual fee on top. And in case you didn't realize, if we go back into the settings, you can actually mimic real human behavior. So if I put 4 seconds in here, it will show the person that I'm typing for 4 seconds before they get sent the message. This humanizes the conversation, and it is as if they are talking to a real human being. What's even better, as soon as someone engages with your chatbot, they get added onto your list where you can then instantly mass broadcast messages to them. Just one chat blast has been proven to get up to 80% open rates, which blows email marketing right out of the water, which is usually 15% or less. Imagine being able to send a promotional offer to that list for free anytime you want. skyrocketing your sales like never before without having to spend a dime on ads. Now, unlike other software out there, Botstar allows you to build unlimited leads with no restrictions whatsoever. So now it will take me to the powerful visual editor where you can design the flow of your chatbot and edit content with our industry leading drag and drop editor that's super easy to use, no coding skills needed. Botstar gives you the full flexibility and control to customize your chatbot to your taste. So I'm just going to change some of the content to the restaurant that I'm targeting. I can easily edit and change text on the fly, which shows my updated changes in real time. Botstar puts you in full control without any restrictions with drag and drop technology in place. It's so easy to add in whatever content I want. So I can add my own text boxes in here, including videos, images, audios, or whatever you want. This can easily be edited, moved around, added, or deleted with just a click of a mouse. The possibilities are truly endless with what you can do inside Botstar, and I'm only just scratching the surface here. I can easily edit the lunch or dinner times according to the opening times of the restaurant, all the way through to the table options, dates, contact info, and everything else. So now I simply click publish and that's it. Boom, stop the clock. It's all done. As you can see, in just 60 seconds, my new automated chatbot is now ready to work for me 24/7 in the background, automating the booking process for this restaurant. This makes it easy for the restaurant and saves them a ton of time in automating bookings. This is why businesses will happily pay you thousands of dollars to set them up a chatbot, and the beauty about this all is that it literally took you a few clicks to do without any effort. As you can see, using Botstar's powerful visual flow editor makes creating your chatbot a breeze. You simply drag and drop your content to your style without having to worry about any coding. It literally took me less than 60 seconds flat to have a fully functional chatbot that is ready to re-engage potential prospects, nurture those leads, and increase sales dramatically. Honestly, it cannot get any easier than this. Now bear in mind, Botstar is the most complete, feature-packed chatbot app that has way more features which I haven't even covered yet for the sake of saving time and demonstration purposes. And just to make this 100% clear, no other app out there competes with the power and versatility of Botstar, especially at its low one-time price. Botstar allows you to easily create highly engaging chatbots with just a few clicks with its state-of-the-art visual editor that allows you to add, edit, change around content with drag and drop ease. All the other apps out there are priced monthly and have lots of restrictions, so it's pretty much safe to say that Botstar blows all of them right out of the water. With that being said, look at what I've been able to do right in front of your eyes. In just 60 seconds flat, I've been able to create a fully interactive chatbot for a restaurant with all the content and personalizations, where I can now sell this bot for $1,000 and even charge a monthly fee on top for the maintenance. You can easily do this for gyms, car dealerships, hotels, events, service-based businesses, and much more. The only limit is your imagination. What's even better, you get full flexibility as you can also create your own custom chatbot starting from scratch using our blank canvas editor. The possibilities are truly endless. And that's just scratching the surface of what Botstar can do for you, taking your business to the next level, saving you thousands of dollars and a lot of time. It builds, connects, automates, and engages your sales, marketing, and customer support channels literally with just a few clicks. Now, if you go onto places such as Upwork, which is a freelancing site to hire or get paid for work done, you can see right here, developers are charging $40 an hour when it comes to creating a single chatbot. This guy's already made over $30,000. Amit has made over $100,000. This is absolutely crazy. This guy is charging $55 an hour. Now imagine you could use Botstar to create custom interactive chatbots in just minutes and then offer your services for way cheaper than all these other developers. That could easily be a very profitable additional income for you, and the beauty about this all is that it literally took you just a few clicks to set up. We'll have more training on this inside the members area, including how you can get local businesses to pay you for your chatbot services, so you don't ever have to worry about spending money on ads, paying monthly fees on other softwares, getting traffic, nurturing leads, or even hiring customer support agents. Botstar takes care of all of that for you, so you can sit back, relax, and focus on growing your business.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed that demo and you're excited to see what Botstar can do for you. It's a massively powerful tool. I'm really curious about those open rates compared to email. That's just massive for your conversions and your lead conversion potential. So what is Botstar all about? If you go in the link in the description, you can see this page. I've got a bit here on the pricing. And I will say that you only need access to the front end here of Botstar. It's called Botstar Commercial in order to get access to those bonuses. So don't feel like as you're going through the buying process that you need to upgrade on everything to get the bonuses. You don't. So the first one, you're getting the easy to use drag and drop cloud-based software with 50 hot done for you templates ready to use. And you can also go with Botstar Deluxe, where you can find out details on the sales page as well as Botstar Platinum. And these are obviously going to include more features, more templates. There is also a training bootcamp for $97, which I would recommend if you're completely new. These guys, the creators behind Botstar, really know what they're doing. So this training is going to be really invaluable, and only $100. That's, you know, a tenth of what you usually pay for that kind of training from, you know, those kind of experts. So I do recommend checking this out. If you do have any questions, definitely feel free to hit me up on social media, in the comments, especially so you can help other people, or in email. Botstar also comes with a full money back guarantee, so I do recommend checking it out risk-free. Hope you enjoy it, hope you get the most out of it, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.